Hi there, it's Professor Monty, and we're talking about the median of a data set. Now, the median of a data set is the middle value when we order from smallest to largest, or largest to smallest, but typically we'll order the data from smallest to largest. Now, look, as a note in the middle, I said it's the average of the two middle values. If you have an even number of data, you don't have a middle value, you'll have two of them. So let's look. But the idea is the median is the middle value of the data set. So here's the data set, number of kids in my family. So there's 6 kids in my family. My oldest brother has 4 kids. My next oldest has 4, etc. Down to me, I have 3 kids. So nonetheless, that's the idea. Let's put these in order first to find the median. So we'll go smallest to largest, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6. And if we get rid of the 2 smallest values and the 2 largest values, we have 2 middle values this time. And so it's going to be the average of those 2. So I'm going to take these 2 middle values and I'm going to say, oh, the median is going to be their average. So I add them up and I divide by 2. 7 divided by 2, 3.5. And what that means is half of my family has 3.5 or more kids. Oh yeah, 4, 4, 6. And half of them have 3.5 or fewer kids. Oh yeah, 2, 1, and 3. So that's the middle value. Now, suppose I had never been born. Interesting thought. I don't know who would be giving this lecture, but who knows? So now we have an even number of data values. So now when I do it, the median this time, let's just list them in order first. I have 1, 2, 4, 4, 6. If I get rid of 2 there and 2 there, there's only one middle value, and that's the median. So that's the idea. Now, one way to find the position of the middle, say you have 100 data values, and you don't want to say, oh, get rid of how many on this side and how many on that side. The position of the median. There's a formula for that. It's n plus 1 divided by 2. So in this case, we had 5 data pieces. N is the sample size. So we had an n equals 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we would do, in this case, 5 plus 1 divided by 2 is 6 divided by 2 is 3. That's not the median, but that's where it is. It's the third data point. And if I count 1, 2, 3, oh yeah, there's the third data point. That was the median. Now, what I had done before, when I had 4, 4, 6, 2, 1, 3, and I listed those out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, there's the order of them. I'm back to being born again. Yay. Now, if I do n plus 1 over 2, now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 data pieces. Well, 6 plus 1 over 2 is 7 over 2, which is 3.5. Again, that's not the median, that's where it occurs. So it's in that place or that data point. We'll say point like we did last time, data point. Well, if I list those, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, 3.5 is right between 3 and 4. It happens to be the numbers 3 and 4. Again, when I did that, it's 3 plus 4 divided by 2, 7 divided by 2. This time it happens that the median is the same as the location of the point. But before, the location of the data point was the third point, and it was the value 4. So don't think that this formula gives you the median, it just tells you where it's located. Okay. Sometimes you don't have to use that. You do what we did. We just list them and cross out, oh, 2 on this side, 2 on that side. We have 1 in the middle. That's the idea. Work with that. You'll get it.